Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to get the best audio output of your HyperX Cloud to Wireless in 2025. No complicated numbers, just simple steps. First, fire up the HyperX NGEDOT software. This is where all the magic happens. You will set your custom audio profile here. Next, let's shape your sound. First, give the bass some muscle. Boost the lows just enough to explosions feel powerful and footsteps have that satisfying rumble. Second, clean up the mix. Pull the mid-range down a notch to clear out any muddiness. This makes a dialogue in game chatter and musical vocals really pop. The third, brighten the highs. Crank the treble slightly to highlight those sharp details. Gunshot, clicky menus, and ambient chorus become crystal clear. Once you've got that balance, full bass, clear mids, sparkling highs, save it as a profile in Ingenuity so you can switch back anytime. Finally, let's deal in your mic. Check your connection, make sure the USB dongle is firmly plugged in. Set defaults. In your system settings, choose HyperX Cloud to Wireless as your default recording device. Adjust mic level, speak into it, and tweak the volume slider until your friends on come to hear you perfectly, not claiming nor whispering. That's it. 3 simple EQ tweaks and quickly make check to get the most out of your Cloud to Wireless. Try it out, let me know how it sounds, and I'll coach you in the next one.